So what's our Go! No!
I don't know! Molly, where are we going? Oh shoot, not in here! Go! God dang it! I need you to lead me.
I don't have a gun.
I swear to God. I just swear. I swear on my life if I get shot. I swear on my life.
Right there.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
You missed. No, I hit you. You were right. I hit you. No, you were right. Okay. I hit you.
Fuck.
Go to camera, Mr. Grenade Boy.
Is that Danny?
Danny Boy.
What?
Right here.
Oh shit.
I hit you. I hit you.
Fuck, dude, I swear to God,
fucking hit you.
Fuck. Yeah, okay, good job.
Did you have him with the grenade? Did you get him with the grenade?
What? I think so.
Did you get on camera?
No, not Al. Like, I shot Al with my pistol. He started screaming.
No! He shot Al. Oh my God.
That was it?
I killed him with a sword. Yeah, it's all good.
Are you getting some pistol pew?
Oh. That's over. Oh, he was far too.
Nice. That's a trophy.
Somebody got a camcorder?
Yeah.
Oh, you should have recorded that to him when he shot you right in the ass. Big boy taking shot.
Hey, contact gas station window.
Alright, we gotta be a little aggressive. Type one. Ow, alright, his pistol's shooting over 350.
Oh, fuck.
That was from far away too. You wanna get that? Hey, someone get that corner. Molly's in a good place to be.
Oh, you want to help me take bank?
Not really, but I will.
Back you.
We gotta go inside. Let's take restaurant, guys.
Oh, 12 o'clock. My gas station. Watch them.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, gas station window, you're right, Daquan. If he has an angle. I don't know. You can shoot it.
Where'd Al go? Daquan, you're dead. Why?
I'm not dead.
Don't do it, Dad. Excuse me, I need to go get that on camera. I need to go get dumb shit.
You got that door?
I need to go get Al's nips on camera. Albie,
Yeah.
let me show you. See those nips? Rub them, rub them, rub them.
Alright, his pistol's shooting over 350. Cause this was like over 15 feet. First door of the kill house.
First door?
First door.
On our side or on their side?
On this.
What? Al. Here's our side, there's their side.
Oh, that side. Their side.
Their side.
Okay, they're past the first door.
Really?
You're in a video now. White knuckles. I'm just gonna stay here. I'll let the subscribers do the work.
Keep those doors down.
I ain't got no pistol pew, but I'll get some other pew.
Alright, get those doors, okay?
Come on, motherfucker, pick your head up.
He's gonna lit the fuck up. Well, I'll let you cover this door. I'm gonna go do something else. Oh, where are they?
No idea.
Fuck!
They came in with some heavy machinery.
Can you got him?
Al, look at me. What?
Alright, I'm gonna try to work around in the police station. You wanna stay here?
I'll join you.
Okay. Oh God, hold on. Alright, motel window.
I got this doorway covered right now.
Don't stand up, dude.
Stay the fuck down.
Yeah.
Alright, I got hit by a
What's your name again?
Jesse.
Jesse. Okay.
Jesse's girl.
How many times did you hear that?
Every fucking time somebody asks me what my name is.
Oh, he has sights on his back.
Go over. Take this side. Take this side. Right the.
No, I'm going over here.
Out. No, no.
Screw you. No, I'm not going back there.
No, you go.
You just get that window down.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah, get that window.
Go.
Oh.
This is such a good position right now.
And we lost one behind us.
Fuck.
Yeah, I know. Hey, are you blue?
This is not a good position. David, you in here with me? Start. Hit.
Ah, Danny. Guys, are you blue in there? Police station.
Chandler, let's go get that flag.
I'd like to.
We could do it.
You want to make a fucking push to the woods?
That's what I was about to say. Let's go. Fast and low.
Where you guys going?
Damn it,
Away
though.
from.
Let me just
Away
respawn.
from Megatron.
No.
Okay, man.
Guys, we're making a push to the forest.
Guys, what the heck are you doing?
There you guys go.
Start.
Look, I heard a freaking cattle.
Hit. Ah!
Let's go long. We've gotten so much good footage today. If you see Al, make sure that you put a shot in his nipple. One each. 3 for the belly button.
Alright, guys, stay frosty.
Because it's summer and you want to stay nice and cold. Frosty from McDonald's? Yes, McDonald's.
That's friendly.
I enjoy him being friendly.
Alright,
But he's also dead.
Somebody's gonna be over here.
I'm gonna go around long way. Let's see if I can just circumvent where the fuck's over here. Stuart, you come with me.
I got your 6 on the building. Do we want to get into this building and figure some stuff out real quick?
I'm in bush. I don't think we have time for that shit. Is that my first life? Yes, it was.
Every time I see your face mask, it reminds me of the videos when all you see is like the right side of your mask.
Yeah. Back in the days.
Did you get that fixed?
Yeah.
Cool.
Or at least I got as much as possible fixed.
Oh, I'm moving then. Whoa.
Where are they?
Gas station. Gas station close door.
Alright.
I might try to flank all the way right.
You want to take the kill house out?
No, I'm not going in that kill house again. That hurt.
Can I help in any way?
I don't know if I'm army. Hi, Molly. You look so.
Oh, thanks. Because I'm not wearing sleeves.
Obviously.
What do we wear?
Our flag's missing.
You know what that is? God damn.
New video.
You there, your mobile device or laptop, computer, or whatever the hell you're on. Some magic. You're watching Dick Airsoft. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Also, follow us on Facebook to see where we will be when, and also for the newest video updates.